Welcome in complex number. Let's start with algebraic form of a complex number. This is a new cell of numbers. The common cell of numbers is a real number, set of real numbers. Now here I selected for you problems to enhance your understanding of this topic. A. Definition and properties of E. Don't miss this channel. You will follow a series of topical problems on complex number. First, let's start with this A. Definition and the properties of A. Now we are going to simplify this. E to the power 48. E to the power 48. To simplify, you divide this exponent by 4. You find 12. Now write E equal 4 times, let me show you good, 4 12 like this, 4 times 12 is 44. As you know, have 1 and 12, you have 1. This means that E to the power 22 equal 4. The general idea here is that E 4 times M, the multiple of 4, here we have 1. Now E M plus 1 will have E multiple of M plus 2 will have -1, and E for M plus 3 will have -E. This general scheme will be followed, will be observed along with our problems. Now, problem number 1 is solved. Now, problem number 2. Problem number 2. Here, 801 divided by 4, you get 200, remind 1. Now here write E for 200 plus that remainder 1, you get, this is automatically 1. You have 1 to the power 20, 200 times E1 get 1 times E. The answer is E. Now it is simplified. Now problem number 3. E to the power 142. Now first step is to divide this exponent by 4. You get, divide by 4, you get 35. Reminder 2. Now write E exponent 4 that 5 plus remainder 2. Get 1 that 5 times E 2. Get 1 times negative 1, because E exponent 2 go negative 1 have negative 1. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. Divide first this exponent by 4. You get we get 5, 6, 9, 3, remind equals 3. Now you write this multiple of 4. 4, 5, 6, 9, 3 plus 3. We get 1 exponent 5, 6, 9, 3 times E to the power 3. Get get 1 times E negative 1. Now we get negative E. Now problem number 5. Ten divided by 4, we get what? We get 2, remainder 2. Now write E 4 times 2 plus 2 is equal 1, 2 times E square. we get -1. This is a general rule. As I mentioned above, we use this framework. Go on. E and plus 2 equal -1 and E negative E. It's why I first divide by E4 to find the multiple of 4 plus the remainder. Now problem number 6. We follow the same pattern. Find now 7 divided by 2, I get 3 plus 1. Now write E 2 3 plus 1 get -1, because E exponent 2 -1 times here times E. Now I get 1 like this. And at this step, let me show you. E divided by E equal 1. Now here, let me multiply by E over E. Yes, I change nothing by multiplying with the same number in numerator and in denominator. Now I have E square, have E -1, we get negative E. See here. Sorry, here. This negative and this negative will have positive. Now E. Get E. Now here have the answer is Good. Thank you for watching, my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Now next video we'll solve problem number 7. We'll solve problem number 7. Thank you for watching.